My friends, I'm Sean. This is the Fix My Home channel. Today I want to show you how you can fix your light switch chain if it's not working. So we have a first thing, you have to make sure the light switch on the wall is on, and if that one is on and your light switch is not working, so it means your relay is bad. So I'm going to show you how to replace the relay or light switch with the chain, they call it. So we're going to show you how to replace that. Okay, first you have to make sure you don't have any power to the light. So turn off the power from the breaker. After you make sure that, so come here, and as you see there is a nut here. You can unscrew this nut. Unscrew that nut and take the chain off from here. As you see, is very easy. You just have to take this chain off. So, and you have the screw here. I'm sorry, not that one, this one. One, two, and one is the other side. Take off that 3 screw, and when you take it off, so you just unplug the relay. I want to show you how to do it. Okay, as you see, I took off the chain, and this is a nut. So this is it was the power, and this is the neutral, hot and neutral. So it was connected to them are hot, the blue one is hot and white one is neutral. So please make sure you don't have power. Turn off the power from breaker. And so this is the real relay is bad. As you see, it's bad. It's not functioning. So I bought the relay in the Home Depot. They call fan light switch with pull chain. It was less than $3, so it was very cheap. You don't need to replace your whole fan, and cost $200 to replace it. Just with the $3 you can fix your fan. So if you want to search for that and buy it, so as you see, it said on here Zing Air, and the code is E like an elephant 89885. I don't know if you can see. Anyway, so I'm gonna unplug this wire from here, so, and replace that with the new one. So you can do, because here they punch it, you can cut this wire from here, and after that from the here, just try to be close to the relay. You have the extra wire, just cut it from here, and after that we're gonna connect the new one to this one. Let me show you. Okay, I'm gonna cut this from the end, as I said, and I'm gonna connect the new relay to this one. Okay, this is the new relay. As you see, and I put this together, so one is go to the light and another one is going to this. So we have, this is a new one. I have to take this off. So this one go to the new light. It doesn't matter which one, but I want to do the same. And this one will go here. So I'm gonna connect these two. So let me make this a little bigger. use the wire now. There you go. Okay, I just put the relay back, so, and I'm gonna put the nut. This is a nut. I'm gonna screw it here and connect this to the light. Okay, I put the nut back, and I'm gonna, as you see, there is two wire. I'm gonna put this white one and this black one to the black, go to the blue, and white is gonna connect to the white. I just put everything back together. I put the cover back, three screw, and connect two wire. So I put the chain back. As you see, this is I used the old connection I had, so it's very easy to install. So I'm gonna check the light if it's working. There you go. So thank you for watching the channel. Please make sure you subscribe the channel. I will show you how to fix all the problem around your home by yourself without paying anyone. Have a great day.